10 amazing psychological facts you'll be shocked to know. This one is for all those psychology majors out there. If it's been a while since you've looked at your textbook, or you're just looking for a refresher on basics that might have gone over your head way back in high school biology, then this list is just for you. This blog post features 10 amazing psychological facts that you'll be shocked to know. Number 1. Your personality today is a result of your childhood. Research shows that children's personalities are largely shaped by their parents. The way they discipline a child will have long-lasting effects on the child's personality. Parents play a huge role in shaping their children's life, which makes sense since they're the ones raising them and giving them the tools to deal with society. The relationship between parent and child goes both ways, as well. A parent's personality affects their own parenting style, which affects their child's temperament. This is called reciprocal determinism. Number 2. People don't change. Some people think that people can change, that they can suddenly develop a new personality and engage in behaviors that were previously unacceptable to them. This is false. Changing someone's personality requires an incredible amount of effort, and experts say it takes at least a decade of consistent effort before significant results can be seen. Number 3. Women are more honest than men. Women agree more with each other in a lie detection experiment, while men tend to lie more as they don't want to hurt their reputation or be thought of as untrustworthy. Females also make up less lies than males, and they're also much less likely to exaggerate or embellish the truth. This could be because women are more concerned about taking care of others and making sure everyone is happy, which takes up a lot of their time. Both men and women lie when it comes to flirting, as do most other animals for that matter. Number 4. Men and women use different parts of their brains to speak different languages. This is because males and females process information differently, which leads to a difference in how they use their brains. When learning a second language, men tend to use both sides of their brain more like women who use one side, while women tend to link a new language with their native tongue. Number 5. People are inherently selfish. We have a tendency to act selfishly because we make decisions based on our needs and wants. This doesn't necessarily mean that we're bad people, but it's just the way our brains are made. It's easier for us to choose things that benefit us without having to put in much effort or sacrifice something else. This could be the reason why the world has so many problems. Everyone is out for their own needs and not for society as a whole. Number 6. Women are better at multitasking. Women are better than men at simultaneous mental tasks because they have more neural connections in their brains. Women can deal with multiple things at once, whereas men need to focus on one thing for a short period of time before being able to multitask more easily. Women are also better at multitasking because they're constantly doing it on the run. Another reason women are better at multitasking is that they have more hemispheres of their brains, which makes them better able to integrate information from the past and present. Number 7. People are more vicious and dishonest during times of crisis. People are more likely to take advantage of you or lie to you during times of crisis, like a natural disaster, war, or economic collapse. This is called the collective fault effect. When the world is going through a lot of change, it can cause people to act irrationally and make bad decisions. The collective fault effect in humans was first observed during hard times in England during the 17th century. Number 8. People are genetically wired to be creative. Creativity is an innate trait that pops up from time to time in humans, otherwise known as a genius or imagination. Many scientists and philosophers have analyzed the development of creativity through history and discovered that it tends to peak during one's early years of life, which is called the Janushan pinch. This is because people who are constantly being exposed to new things are more likely to use their imagination. Number 9. The human brain does not exist in a vacuum. We have little control over what our brains are doing. They're doing the best they can to make decisions in the best way possible. It's important to realize that whatever beliefs you have or methods you've created are all influenced by your environment and upbringing. Number 10. People think differently when they're drunk. When we drink alcohol, our brains make new connections and form new memories. The way we perceive reality changes when we drink alcohol because of this. This could be why people think differently when they drink. It's also important to keep in mind that alcohol has many other side effects, so it's not recommended that you drink and use this article as a guide. In conclusion, overall, many of the things we learn in high school and most of what we're taught in school are false. It's important to realize that you're a product of your environment and upbringing, which leads to your behavior. If you want to change something about yourself or make positive changes in the world, it'll take a lot of hard work and dedication, but it's worth it. Thank you for your time with this post. Please share this podcast with your friends, and we'd love to hear that you'll be there here next time.